A growing global population and shrinking resources means that protecting physical assets, facilities, and people is more important than ever. For over 40 years, ROSSLARE has been a provider of quality electronic solutions serving the global market. ROSSLARE is an access control pioneer and industry leader, offering rich integration and implementation experience, along with solutions that fit any security need. Our innovative approach to access control management and integration delivers maximum security and maximum ease of use. ROSSLARE offers the industry's broadest production portfolio, including a full range of controllers, readers, biometrics terminals, credentials, accessories, and guard patrol systems, all supported by an advanced and flexible software system. With a broad global distribution footprint, ROSSLARE products meet the highest international standards and certifications and offer seamless and flexible integration with third-party solutions. We offer top-tier original design manufacturing, ODM and OEM contract manufacturing services. For the widest range of mission-critical applications, ROSSLARE's products and solutions lower total cost of ownership while raising reliability, efficiency, and security. Our cutting-edge solutions are flexible, field-proven, cost-effective, easy to implement, and user-friendly, making them a perfect fit for any industry. For over 4 decades, ROSSLARE's rich array of hardware and software solutions have been the building blocks of security for companies across the globe. ROSSLARE, enabling trust in every access.